Explain how to use your app to your users is key so that they understand how they can take advantage of its full potential and thus keep them as active users and increase retention rate. Imagine you have the following application. Your goal is to explain to the user what the bottom right button does, as well as the edit and adjust buttons that appear on the top bar. For this, we're going to use the tutorial coach mark package. Add the package to your PubSpec file. The first step will be to create a global key and add it to each widget you want to focus. Each step of the tutorial is represented by an object of type target focus. We are going to create a method that creates a list of these elements and we are going to assign them the keys we just created. Now we are going to create a tutorial coach mark object where we are going to pass this list of targets. Then we will show the tutorial. For the tutorial to display correctly, it is important that the entire UI is loaded and ready. So a delay is used to call the show method. And this is the final result. You can use the Shared Preferences plugin or any other mechanism to control that this tutorial is only displayed the first time the user opens the application. You can find the link to the page for this package as well as the project created in this video in the description. Hit that like button if you found this video useful and subscribe to receive more content like this. Thank you for watching, we'll see you in the next video.